Sara Abdulrasoul is integrating holistic and alternative medicine in modern pharmacy practice. In the realm of healthcare, the line between traditional medicine and alternative therapies is gradually blurring. More than ever, there is a growing acceptance and integration of holistic and alternative medicine into mainstream care. At the forefront of this shift are modern pharmacists like Sara Abdulrasoul, who understand the importance of being well informed about herbal supplements, alternative therapies, and their potential interactions with conventional medications. These professionals recognize that patients often merge both worlds in their healthcare journey. As such, there's an increased need for clear communication and education on the subject. Today's consumers are increasingly drawn to the idea of holistic health, which emphasizes a whole-person approach to care. This means not just treating the symptoms, but understanding and addressing the root causes of illnesses. As the trusted intermediaries between medication manufacturers and patients, pharmacists play a pivotal role in ensuring drug safety and efficacy. This responsibility becomes even more crucial in the age of holistic health. Given the wide range of available alternative remedies and the lack of strict regulation on many of them, it's essential for the public to have a reliable source of information. Pharmacists, with their training and accessibility, can act as educators. Despite the benefits of integrating holistic and alternative medicine into pharmacy practice, challenges persist. Many pharmacists feel the need for more comprehensive training in alternative therapies, as their current education primarily focuses on conventional drugs. The world of pharmacy is evolving, and with it, the role of the pharmacist. As holistic and alternative therapies become more mainstream, pharmacists have a responsibility to be well-versed in their uses and potential interactions with traditional medications. Through education, collaboration, and a commitment to patient well-being, forward-thinking pharmacists like Sara Abdulrasoul are paving the way for a more integrated and holistic approach to healthcare. By embracing this integrated approach, pharmacists can play a pivotal role in the ever-evolving landscape of health and wellness.